Hey everyone, welcome back to another awesome video. Today I will show you the platform which provide you a 30 million token per day for free. I have already used 3.7 million and token by building 3-4 project. I'm using it from past 2 hours and I'm only use 4 million token, and best part, you can get this 30 million token per day. I want to make you clear, it will provide DeepSeek before Flash and Qwen 3.5 plus in a free plan. Do you want to use this model? Then this video is for you. Officially, MonkeyCode platform provide us the 30 million token per day in a free plan. This platform is also available in Windows, and if you want you can also use it in mobile as well. It will available in both the Android and iOS. But in today's video I am going to use it in web platform. If you want, download this MonkeyCode and use it in your laptop or desktop. It will be available in all the platforms Windows, Linux and Mac. Here it will provide DeepSeek V4 Flash and Qwen 3.5 Plus in free plan, and you can get 30 million token per day. If you want a paid subscription, there are lots of platforms to buy. I'm not going to focus on it. In today's video I'll show you how you can use it for free. I have already built 3 games. One snake game. Step by step I will move forward to the complex tasks and I will build this waterfall game, and I will build one fully featured PDF splitter. When you browse any file, then it will automatically detect all of the page inside this PDF. You can see 172 PDF will be available. All the PDF page number will be reflected here. If you want, you can split it into as PDF. If you want, you can split in between some page, just like from 1 to 10, 30 to 45. By this way, in between 30 to 45 there are 16 pages. After you have provided the page, if you split PDF, then you can easily download and use it. This is the real case scenario. This is the PDF in between 30 to 45 index. If you worry about this index, no, before starting from page number 1 there will be some other indexing, references, table of content and many things will be available. Okay, by this way, from simple prompt I have built one PDF splitter web app. You can easily host it. It will work like a real PDF splitter. Here it will also give a dark and light theme feature as well. Okay, in snake game, if you want, you can easily play, which is fully functional. Okay, game over, high score, start, pause. You can set speed as well. I'm going to restart the game. Now the speed of this snake is very slow, where we have set it slow. If you want, you can set it fast as well. You can see this is very fast. It is very difficult to play. Okay, this is the power of this platform. After this all, I will show you by building some other project as well. Not only this, here you can easily upload any image. You can upload any file. Here whiteboard is also available. You can easily draw it inside this platform, and there are some pre-built skill is also available. Useful skill like brainstorming, systematic debugging, UI UX Pro Max, writing plan, writing skill. You can use this type of useful skill, code review, sub agent driven development. Many pre-built skill are also available here, and best part, it will give you the 30 million token per day. Yes, it will takes more token building one project, but still even you can easily build 30 small project and nearly 10 medium sized project using this platform per day. Then how you can use it? Go to the monkeycodeai.net, start free, then it will navigate you to its chat screen, then you can directly use it. If you want, you can use dark mode and light mode. I'm comfortable with dark mode, that's why I'll use it. Run. There will be the 2 model currently available for free, which is Qwen 3.5 Plus and DeepSeek V4 Flash. Until now I have used DeepSeek V4 Flash. Now I want to use this Qwen 3.5 Plus. Run this task. In free plan you can run only one task at a time. Okay, now I'm going to run this task. If you are using it for the first time, then it will take little bit time to complete it. Currently, it will building premium SaaS landing page. And don't worry, sometime you have faced unable to create development environment. If you face this type of error, then try it again. Sometime if you have opened multiple windows of this monkey code, then you can face this type of error. And sometime you can face this error due to high traffic. Try it again, then it will working perfectly. Currently, it will building premium SaaS landing page using Qwen 3.5 Plus model, where I want to show you each and every feature of this platform. Which model work better, which model responds faster. If you want to test it all of its feature, you can easily use this platform in your daily life task. After we have completed this SaaS landing page, I'll show you using some skill. If I will use some skill, then it will build more accurately. Let's wait until it will complete. Until now, it will take nearly 2 minutes to build this all, where I'll provide lots of feature inside this SaaS landing page. This is the list of feature that I have mentioned. That's why it will take little bit more time. Finally, it will completed. Now this is the preview link. It will automatically provide you the preview link after it will complete each and everything. Now I'm going to open it and let's see how is it look. Awesome. You can see the background animation. Wow, I like it. Was demo. It will navigate at the bottom. Fully loaded animation. I like it. If you underestimate the power of this model, then you can see this landing page, how much awesome landing page it will build. Wow, it will cover each and everything. If you restart it and watch it again, you can see everything is working perfectly. Instead of messy type of animation, it will added one awesome clean and clear animation. Wow, I like it. Okay, feature, solution, price, resource, get started, everything will be included here. Footer, social link, product, company, resource, many things. Okay, this is the power of this model if you underestimate. And it will take 2 million token to build it. Inside it, there will be the 13 steps to build this landing page. Yes, it will take little bit more token, but it will provide more token. That's why it will take more token. Last, I'm going to build on whiteboard, and I'm also select one skill, which is UI UX Pro. If I'll find some related skill here, then I'll select some other skill as well. I feel only this skill is related. That's why I'm going to select this skill, and I will build one small browser based editor inspired by modern design tools. After it will complete this, then I'll wrap up today's video, where I have already built 5-6 projects. Some small project, some medium sized project. If you select any skill, then it will build according to this skill, where all of the available skill is expert on this field. If you build this drawing board inside the single HTML file, then it will complete it within the 1-2 minutes. But I want to make it perfect. That's why I'll provide some detailed prompt where it will working on it. That's why it will take little bit more time. Your output is always depend on your input. If you provide detailed prompt, then it will work on it. If you provide simple one-liner prompt, just like build a one drawing board, then it will build one simple drawing board in most of the case. If you provide some detailed requirement in your prompt, then it will work on it, where it will already complete HTML file, CSS file. Now it will working on JS file. If you want to build some useful and impactful product, then it will take time. Okay, I'm going to wait until it will complete. When it will complete all of these tasks, then I will show you. I think it will on the last steps to complete all of these tasks. At the same time, it will test by itself, and if it will find any bug, then it will solve. If you think this is the simple browser, then you are underestimating this platform, where it will test it by itself. If it will found any error, then it will solve, just like this, where it will found one error, then it will solve it, and finally it will on the way to provide final output. All assets will succeed. Now let's me verify the editor page, load in the dev server, check for the runtime error. It work like a agent, not like a browser. Okay, if you don't want to use it in browser, you can easily download its platform as well. Currently monkey type desktop app will be available. This is my sixth project, and until now it will use my 10 million token. If you think it will takes too much token, then you can see 10 file will be included in this project. In my other project, how much file will be there? I have not built everything in single HTML file. I have built each and everything separately. That's why it will take more token. Now everything will be completed. I'm going to run it. Okay. You can add any text, you can set any size. This is the text. Here scale will be also available. You can zoom it and zoom out. You can build some stuff. Here design will be available, layer will be available, color. From here you can set color, x-axis, y-axis. You can download it in JSON format. If you want, you can download it in PNG format as well after you have designed anything. Okay, this is the opacity that you can set. This is the list of color available. Here some shape will be available. From here you can undo, redo. Everything will be available here. This is the power of this model. Okay, this is the demo I will present you by building some project. I want to wrap up this video here.